Protecting businesses and homes along Southwest Boulevard from flooding took another step forward. On December 15th, local and federal leaders celebrated the start of the final phase of the Turkey Creek flood control project.
The Turkey Creek flows through Kansas into the Kansas River, but when heavy rains came, the floodwaters overflow those banks and would flow down Southwest Boulevard, flooding businesses and residences in Kansas City, Missouri. So we're very pleased this morning to be kicking off the final project for the Turkey Creek Flood Control Project.
Basically, it's taking all the hillside drainage from 31st Street and Roanoke Boulevard, and also drainage from Southwest Boulevard, capturing that and taking it directly to Turkey Creek.
Officials, including United States Congressman Emanuel Cleaver, Kansas City, Missouri Mayor Sly James, and Kansas City, Missouri City Manager Troy Schulte, symbolized that reduction in flood risk by tossing away rubber boots that won't be needed so often in this flood-prone area. This couldn't have happened without a strong partnership between Kansas City, the unified government, and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers.
We've learned how to build strong partnerships across state lines that are effective and engage in problem solving on complex flooding problems, and arrange the funding and all the administration and the real estate that it takes to put a project together pretty efficiently by now, and how best to work together to get the job done. And it's been a really successful showcase partnership among multiple agencies and jurisdictions.
This has been a great partnership from day one. Obviously, Turkey Creek, the majority of it runs through Wyandotte County, and a lot of the cause was upstream in Johnson County, and a lot of the negative impact was downstream in Jackson County. And so when we came together with the congressional delegation and with Kansas City, Missouri, and partnered together, we were able to come up with a regional solution. And though the bulk of the money has been invested in the channel in Kansas City, Kansas, is benefiting the whole region.